The morning song of the birds. One morning, the sun rose slowly behind the hills. The sky was painted with soft colors of orange and pink, while the air was fresh and cool. Dewdrops sparkled on the grass like little diamonds. As the world woke up, a gentle sound filled the air, the chirping of birds. High on a tree branch, a small sparrow sang its cheerful song. Nearby, a group of swallows flew quickly across the sky, moving together like dancers in the air. The children who were walking to school stopped for a moment. They looked around and saw how birds made the scenery more alive. The green trees, the clear river, and the blue sky became even more beautiful because of the sound and movement of the birds. One of the children asked, "Why are birds so important?" Their teacher smiled and explained, "Birds help the environment in many ways. Some birds eat insects, which protects the plants. Others spread seeds, helping new trees grow. Birds also tell us if nature is healthy, because they can only live where the environment is safe and clean." The children listened carefully. They understood that protecting nature also means protecting the birds. Without them, the scenery would be quiet and empty. Before leaving, the children made a promise to always care for the environment. Never throw trash carelessly. Plant more trees, and respect all living creatures. As they continued their walk, the sparrow sang again, as if thanking them. The bright scenery and the voices of the birds reminded everyone that nature is a gift we must protect together.